Well, breaking news just coming in. The ATS chief has arrived at Gyaneshwari Bungalow of the Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh to brief him on Mansukh Hiren's death case. Now, this comes a day after the ATS had claimed to have cracked the Mansukh Hiren death case. Let me go across to my colleague Satya Prakash, who's joining me on this. Satya Prakash, give us more details of what's expected on this meeting. Well, do remember, of course, that the Maharashtra ATS has claimed to have cracked the Mansukh Hiren murder case. Now, the ATS said that the bookie Naresh Thare had allegedly given Waze 5 SIM cards, one of which was used to make the last phone call that Mansukh Hiren received. Now, the ATS has also revealed that Constable Vinayak Shinde, who has now, of course, been arrested, was allegedly actively involved in Hiren's death. Now, the ATS claim, of course, interestingly comes a day after the NIA essentially took over the investigation in the case. Satya Prakash, if you can hear me, we are now told that the ATS chief has arrived at the Home Minister of Maharashtra, Anil Deshmukh's, to meet him. Now, give us a sense of what we are expecting in that meeting.
देखिए, महाराष्ट्र के गृह मंत्री के बंगले पर ज्ञानेश्वरी पर एटीएस चीफ पहुंचे हुए हैं। एटीएस ने जो अभी तक मनसुख हिरेन मामले की जांच
Well, we are running into some audio trouble over there, but it is a big claim that came in from the Maharashtra ATS yesterday when they claim to have cracked the murder case of Mansukh Hiren. Now, the ATS chief, of course, is briefing Anil Deshmukh today, the Home Minister of Maharashtra, on this particular case. Now, this comes even as the fact that the NIA has officially now taken over the Mansukh Hiren death probe. So we'll have to wait and watch out for what that meeting between the ATS chief as well as Anil Deshmukh is. Now, this, of course, comes even as we are given to understand that Uddhav Thackeray himself will be looking closely at the Home Department. He's got a meeting scheduled later today with various officials of the Home Department of the state of Maharashtra. Okay, Shravan now joins me on the phone line. Shravan, we have seen, in a sense, a multiple agency probe into this particular case. Now, we are also told that the ATS's chief is meeting over the Mansukh Hiren death case. Now, give us more details of what you're picking up in this case. We are told that Anil Deshmukh is meeting the ATS chief in Mumbai.
Well, in fact, this comes just a day after DIG of the Maharashtra Anti-Terrorist Squad essentially claimed on a Facebook post that this matter has been cracked by the Anti-Terrorist Squad. Remember, the agency was actually tasked to basically find out who was behind the alleged murder of Mansukh Hiren. In fact, there have been multiple arrests that have already been made by the ATS. 2 big arrests, in fact, were made just yesterday, where the ATS has found a direct connection between Sachin Hindurao Waze with that of the others who are basically involved in it. Now what we're given to understand is that DIG of the Maharashtra Anti-Terrorist Squad is having a meeting with the Home Minister Anil Deshmukh. This at a time when we've already had political turns taking place here, even in the national capital, where you've had Sachin Rao. You have also had Sanjay Raut, I beg your pardon, Sanjay Raut, who was here, and he's essentially said that the ATS and the others who would be probing this entire matter, and this is rather a political conspiracy that has basically been hatched by the opposition parties. But having said that, a lot of heat right now on Home Minister Anil Deshmukh, because the opposition parties are also demanding that he should resign in the light of the explosive letter that has been written by the former Mumbai Police Commissioner Paramveer Singh.
All right, Shravan reporting on that. Thank you for the moment. Now, the Maharashtra ATS, of course, has said that it has cracked the Mansukh Hiren murder case. The ATS said that bookie Naresh Thare allegedly gave Waze 5 SIM cards, one of which was used to make the last phone call that Mansukh Hiren received. Here's a report.